Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were.
All right, so we're finally going to do our unboxing of the Boil Boss. This got sent to us to review for our crawfish boil. So let's go ahead and pop this out of here. Okay, this is what they call the Boil Boss. So we're going to walk over here and we're going to set this on our pot. One size fits all. You can adjust these arms to it to fit the size pot that you have. Okay, so we got it rested right on there. Inside here is a bunch of little holes. Okay, we're going to take our water hose and we're going to run our water hose right up here. It came with this piece, which is basically a on and off shut off valve. Okay, you can take this piece off and run your hose directly into the unit and just cut it off and on from the faucet over there, but this makes more sense. You want to keep that on there. All right, what this basically does is when you get done cooking your crawfish, when they're cooked, okay, you cut your fire off. You'll have your hose hooked up to this. Go ahead and cut it on and it'll start shooting water on the outside of the pot, which will start to cool the pot down. Okay, you want to keep it running about 3 to 5 minutes as you're vigorously stirring. Once you get your temperature down to 150 degrees, just let them crawfish sit in there for about 25 minutes or so, and you'll have some of the best crawfish, the most flavorful, deep flavored crawfish you've ever tasted. Typically what I would normally do, since I just have one pot, after the crawfish are finished, I would just cut the fire off and then I would dump ice directly into my pot to cool that water down so that the crawfish can continue to sit in the juice without cooking. Okay, it cools it down for a nice steeping temperature, and I'd let them sit that way. But this is this is a way that we can do the same thing without diluting our recipe. So hopefully the flavor is going to be even better with this Boil Boss. All right, so we're about ready. Water's getting to a boil. We're going to come in with our corn potatoes right here. Before we do that, we're going to drop a little bit of seasoning in there. We don't do a whole lot with our corn and potatoes because you don't want to over-spicy those. Okay, you want all your crawfish to be spicy, but you don't want your corn and potatoes to be too spicy. So that's about all we're going to do with that. Alright, so water's boiling, we're ready to go in with our corn and potatoes. Ryan, if I get my good buddy here to hold that up for me. Lisa. We're going to go in and what we're just going to do is let them cook until they're fork tender. So we'll just continue to kind of poke them until they're nice and fork tender, and then we'll pull them out, set them in a tub. We're going to put those aside and come back in with our crawfish.
Oh my goodness. They flipping and flopping.
Look at the size of that.
Look at that one, he's holding on.
Trying not to get pinched. Look at that big boy.
Oh, you're going to taste good.
All right, just so everybody knows, I want to formally introduce one of my good buddies here. This is Ryan Werner. He plays guitar in my band Raven Camp, and also owns his own taco business with Tank's Tacos and More.
Yeah.
And he's also going to be going. Him and his wife April are going with us to Alaska in September. So
looking forward to it.
It's going to be a good time. We're going to have a good time. Yes, indeed. But anyway, yeah, we're going to do the purging process, kind of clean them up, purge them, puke them, and we're going to rinse. They're going to repeat the process one more time. By that time, the corn and potatoes should be ready. We'll take those out. We'll go in with our first basket of crawfish.
Awesome.
They look like they're pretty good size, right?
Oh yeah, there was you didn't see that monster?
Oh yeah, there's some big ones. I don't see any little ones.
There was
They're
a
all
big
big.
old monster on there.
Yeah, those are real good size. Now this is the medium to large sacks. Okay, they have selects, which they cost more. I forget what the price was, but this is the medium to large mixed sacks, and you see how big they are. We got those for $1.69 a pound. I got a 32-pound sack. I think it come to, you know, around 65 bucks, somewhere in that neighborhood.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
No.
Good and stir it up, get that salt in there.
Yep.
Kind of cleans them up.
Look how dirty the water gets immediately from these things.
So potatoes are nice and pork tender. Corn's good. So we're gonna go ahead and dump these out. Oh yeah. All right. Now
What's
we're gonna
next?
Go in with a sack of crawfish.
Escapees, get them.
When you got a big pot, you can go in with a whole sack, okay? A lot of times, if you got a smaller sack, you're gonna have to do different batches.
I hate getting pinched.
Oh, you don't want to get pinched.
I hate
All right, so drop the crawfish. We're gonna add more seasoning. We're gonna go in with our concentrate. Yeah, the whole thing.
magic dust.
Magic dust.
That'll get them right.
Is that making the crawfish happy?
We're also
Yes.
gonna go in maybe half, maybe the whole, I don't know.
On Traffic Master laminate flooring for just
The whole one?
69 cents a square foot.
right, we're good.
Beautiful wood look floors that will stand the test of time.
Give that a good stir. Oh, yeah.
What you say it like that? How you do that there?
And we're going to cook them about 5 or so minutes until they float and get red. Cut the fire. Then we're going to give our boiled loss a try.
All right.
Piece those in there. Drop some butter in there. Here we go.
Got lemons and oranges in.
Give it a quick stir.
What does the butter do?
It just helps them peel. And the acid in the lemons and the orange kind of help tenderize the meat. All right, good. Screw that on. That's our shut-off valve.
Let's still go.
Twist on there. Just gonna keep this stationary a little bit while he twists that on.
So fire off. We're gonna activate the boil boss.
Oh, Ron's over there cutting the water on. Let's see what happens. Got it on. So valve up. Okay, now we're cooling the pot.
Oh wow, look at that.
Ron, if you'll just make sure this don't slide off. Now, draining all over the place. Don't let this fall. You want to stir it until it reaches about 150 degrees, okay? Now, one thing that I see, you got a lot of water on the ground. It'll soak up, but it's a lot of water. You want to stir it up about 3 to 5 minutes until it cools this pot down.
Smells good.
Oh my god, I can smell it from here. Yeah, it's definitely cool in the pot because there was steam coming off when it first hit.
Cool it down.
solid layer.
Alright, so we're gonna shut the water off.
So it's at 150 now. It took 3.5 minutes.
Awesome.
So now we're just gonna sit and let them steep for about 20 minutes.
Yeah, now you want to just let them sit in that 150-degree water for about 20 to 25 minutes. Let them steep, and that's when all the flavors will really penetrate deep into the meat, and that's when the crawfish get happy. So, all right, so we'll let you know.
We're gonna make the crawfish happy.
I think so. Yeah. All right, so dancing in the water. I made a puddle, y'all.
You made a puddle?
Cook is done. We've let them set for approximately 25 minutes. We pulled one or two out. We've shared them with everybody. I think everybody's pretty good, right?
Very good.
Very good.
They good?
Very, very good.
All right, so
Very good.
so far, the boil boss has done good. Now, I had to put my boots on, but you know, what's a crawfish boil without your boots on, right?
You normally end up wearing your boots anyway.
That's right. Here we go. Strain this up.
Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness.
Here we go.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
Oh yeah. How's the crawfish, everybody?
They're delicious.
Very, very good. I'm happy with this. They turned out real well. They peel very easy. We let them steep we got the water temperature down to 150 degrees, let them steep for about 25 minutes. Lisa had it on a timer. We poured them at 25 minutes in. The flavor's there. They peel easy, and I'm very pleased. Yeah, so the Boil Boss does work.
Awesome. You want to show us how to peel a crawfish properly?
Well, what you do is you take the tail and you twist it from the head, okay? Then you crack and squeeze and suck the head, just like that. Now these, how I describe it is they kind of look like tabs. I take and peel the first two tabs off, then I pinch the tail and squeeze and pull at the same time, and that's it.
Yum. So this is batch number 2.
Batch number 2. Cover. We do. I agree.
Hold on, I thought I saw one down there in my bayou.
That's coming. Don't worry.
Down in my bayou, I think you done before.
Steve is back. Make sure that you check out his YouTube channel because it's coming.
You better believe these are going to be some good crawfish bullshit.
How are the crawfish? Incredible. Oh my god. You enjoying them, Chris? They're good, huh? Yummy. Enjoying the crawfish? Yeah, they're really good. The flavor came out good, didn't they?
All right, so we got the water on.
Yep.
The second batch is cooked. We're going to open this up. We're going to start the cooling process now. As we cool, we want to make sure that we stir vigorously. But I need my can opener. All right.
Your can opener.
So now we can start stirring.
I bet you, Jason, whoever invented that did the hula hoop.
That's what I'm talking about. We're going to cook it. We're going to stir it for 3 to 5 minutes, just like we did the first batch, until it gets down to about 150 degrees. Once it gets to 150 degrees, we're going to shut the water off. We're going to put the lid on it and let it sit for 25 minutes.
Okay.
Boom! Everybody come play in the mud with me.
You're the only one with boots on, homeboy.
Yeah. I'm the only one with waterproof shoes.
got a hole in the top of one of the boots.
Hashtag wear your boots with the Boil Boss.
Flex those muscles, honey.
I am flexing, baby. I'm flexing.
I like my crawfish hot with lemon.
You what?
I like my crawfish hot with lemon.
With lemon?
And then it doesn't do right without no butt wine.
Oh.
There's one stuck in the bottom of the pot.
Roll that beautiful bean footage.
Look at the pot.
Oh my
thing's
gosh.
gone.
There's so much seasoning, it's stuck to the seasoning.
It's stuck to the seasoning.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
He took it for the team.
He took one for the team. Crawfish, honey.
Man, they turned out really, really good. I'm very happy. Lots of good flavor. They really turned out real good. The Boil Boss did a great job. You know, you're gonna have some. Here's the only problem that I see, and I guess it's not really a problem as long as you got your boots on. But you know, when you're cooling the outside of the pot, the water has to have a place to drain, and if you don't have a place for it to drain, it's going to puddle around your feet.
Yeah.
So that's the biggest problem I see with it. Other than that, it did what it's supposed to do, and I'm going to tell you what, the crawfish, a little bit of puddling around the pot is worth crawfish this good.
Yeah.
They're superb. You got to know how to work those seasonings too, though, so I guess the cook's got a little bit involved in that.
Oh, let's definitely give props to the cook.
These are the best crawfish Jason has ever made. They're spiced absolutely perfect. They're spicy and they're so
They're so good.
so.
Well, you're killing them. You enjoying them, Chris?
Oh, yeah.
They're good, huh?
He hasn't stopped.
He hasn't stopped eating, huh?
He's on his second try.
That's cool. My face is all red because it's hot out here. We just killed 70 pounds of crawfish. 70 pounds. They're gone. Really good. Were they good, Zoe? Were they good? Huh? Were they good? You enjoying barking at all the neighbors, huh?